Hello everyone. Well, it's been a little while since I've unboxed a subscription box on the channel, so I figured I'd go ahead and do that here today. This is, of course, from the Lift box, and it just arrived today, so perfect timing. So we'll see what we get in this month's box. This was delivered at the end of December of 2023. So we'll see what we've got here. If you have any questions while I'm going through this, please feel free to ask down below. All right, so looks like we've got a men's t-shirt, which is good. Looks like we've got a sweatband here, a cookie, energy drink. Ooh. Have to take a closer look at that in a moment. And let's see, a rule breaker. Some fava bean crisps, some half-popped popcorn, interesting. And that's it. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at everything that we have in the box. All right, so first thing we've got is a Rain energy drink. This is Watermelon Warlord, and it's got 10 calories and 3 carbs, so it's not horrible. Let's see what we've got as far as anything else. Yeah, anyways, so that's that. Oh, it's got 300 milligrams of caffeine. Woo! That's quite a bit. So put that over there for right now. Just to give you an idea, a typical cup of coffee is going to be somewhere in the 60 to 80 milligrams. So that gives you an idea as to what you've got there. So we've got some hydration and carbonation with some natural caffeine as well. So basically an energy thing there. We have 350 milligrams for a pre-workout mix. Another 350. This I have not used these before. If you have, let me know down below. All right, and we've got the half-popped popcorn. It's 200 calories, which is a little bit more than I would like in something like this, and the 21 carbs, and a minuscule of 2 grams of protein, which is about what you'd expect in something like that. Then we've got the fava bean crisps, which are looking a lot better. So 190 calories with 9 grams of protein and 24 grams of carbs. Then we've got the Rule Breaker. It's gluten-free and vegan. Let's see what we got. 240 calories. Oof. And only 3 grams of protein. So, ouch. And then we have the Lenny and Larry's. This is almost in every single box at this point. It's really high in calories. So one cookie is 460 calories, a little bit more than what I need. And then we've got the ab cuts here. I don't know anything about these. Yeah, so I'll have to read up on them before I start taking them. If you've used these before, let me know as well. So, and then in here, we've got some workout stuff. So if you want to get a closer look at that, you can. Yeah, so let's go ahead and take a look at the shirt. So the day you plant the seed is not the day you eat the fruit. Okay, interesting. So, and I really, actually, I'll tell you, one of the reasons why I get the Lift boxes is their shirts that they include are super soft. They are awesome to work out in. So that is one of the reasons why I've not given up on them yet. And then we've got the headband here, which I've got a few that I use as well. And this is one that I could use. So not too shabby of a box. I don't know. I keep going back and forth as to whether or not it is worth what we pay for them. But it's always that nice little surprise. So if you've got experience with any of these products, let me know down in the comment area. If you have any questions, ask down below. And with that, have a great day.